Hello, I choose medical voice detection technologies for the doctors and other health professionals. I choose this technology because as a medical professional, I feel that this technology made a great difference for the traditional uh, treatment times because it saves money and time as it is done in real time, so physicians usually can edit and make a note on his text, and it is very user friendly and can use in a smartphone as well as in your PCs. The key design of this software is that it can, as I previously said, it can transform voice into the written conversations, and it also recognizes different kind of voices as well as tones and make it real-time written memo, so you can see it in your computer screen or in your smartphone screen. And this written text can be transformed into the different software versions, like you can transform it from your smartphone to the Windows Words or any other documents, as well as in the different memos. And so different kind of subdivisions in the medical science, like radiology and imaging, pathology, as well as some emergency and outpatient doctors, even in the indoor doctors can use this technology as well. There are many benefits of this technology because it takes us few hours times, at least some of them say that 10 minutes to 30 minutes training can uh, make a medical professional smart to use this technology. So one can easily dictate their conversation with very accurate. So now this more advanced technology, a doctor can easily record his and his patient's conversation in a written memo. So it's very suitable for a doctor for his future convenience and his future presentation, as well as make a good rapport to the patient as well. It has also can detect different dialects, like it can detect British, American, Scottish, even in Asian language as well. There is a published report by Zick in 2000, and he showed mainly in the emergency department that the traditional handwritten versus that voice recognition technology, and it shows that it is almost 98.5% accurate as a voice recognition technology. And now there are more sophisticated version as well as a medical version is available. I think it is almost 100% accurate, and it can even recognize even different dialect as well as different phrases as well. In the real life uses, I think busy GPs, and especially in the emergency departments when the doctors are very much busy with their patients, as well as their a huge number of patients coming in and out, so it's very difficult for a doctor to written all the documents correctly. I think these tools can help the doctor make a huge change in his professional life, because with this tool doctor can write in a memo and anything, make a notes, even help to send the notes and to the nurses and other departments very easy. And it also replaces the the traditional difficult to read doctor's notes, and it's a digital copies, and so everyone can understand, and it can also use this for the future references as well. Like when there's an indoor, doctor can find what's the emergency department findings of those patients, like this one. And in traditional transcribers takes lots of time, like what I said in 2000, the RIC showed that it takes 39.6 minutes in traditional transcribers versus 6.3 minutes in the voice recognition technology. So saves many times, as well as it saves many money, like in 17 cents per word in the traditional transcribers, and it takes very few, like 1 cent per word. and it is done almost in real time. So what I said previously, doctors can edit and make a notes and send to some notes to the other doctors as well as other references as well. The future of this technology seems very bright because other professionals are going to use this tool as well, especially the linguistics and other, especially the armed forces and military uses. It's a lots of vast way, because in armed forces medical doctors have to send references and everything to his authority for his or her patients every time, and it saves money and time. And one study showed that it takes almost what they have to almost if they have spent 1 year's money, they can easily buy lots of software that could potentially use them for lots of time and money as well. I think many of the peoples as well as doctors are now using smartphones, and they usually download these apps from the App Store as well as in Androids, and they can easily use this technology from their practitioner places or their professional practices places and any other places as well. Currently, there are 2 to 3 software giants are capturing all the markets of this, but there are some small companies are now producing the really quality software that can take the market and make the market very competitive as well. So I'm saying that the prices of this software is usually very low currently, and I think many of them can easily avail this technology as well. Thank you for your listening. My name is Kazi, K-A-Z-I, M Islam. My student ID is 522282.